What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to an update on Quant, or QNT, that's the abbreviation, but most of you know that. Quant was on my schedule today. If you're new to this channel, basically I've made a schedule of all the cryptos I do every day, or at least some of the cryptos I do every day. Every day I add some of them to them as well. It's in the Discord for now, I might put it in the description. Let me know what you think about putting it in the description. Basically what we'll be doing in this video is just a standard, right? We'll be taking a look at Quant, quick little price updates, what's been happening since my last analysis, and what do I expect is going to happen next, which this is kind of a special update because tomorrow is a big fundamental day for crypto. We'll have an inflation rate number outcome of the United States at least, but that's kind of the only one that matters. The EU doesn't really matter anymore, and other countries are just not big enough. I mean, the economies are not big enough to really matter. We'll also be taking a quick look at that and kind of what that means for Quant and what that could mean for Quant. But for now, if we take a look at it, we'll get to the price in a second. Volume has dropped down a little bit, doesn't really matter. We've also been consolidating, as you can see, as expected, right? Last analysis I said that we would probably consolidate a little between 155, and then we've been a little bit more bullish. We've actually managed to stay on top of 148, but in general, the idea is just what we've been doing with Quant over the last, let's say, month. We get up a little bit and then we consolidate and then we get to our next price targets. And I'm pretty bullish on Quant, long term and short term. I think we can actually continue this uptrend up to at least 170. I also think that there's quite a big chance in the next month to break 170 and then get up to 190, but that's really for later analysis. Right now though, what I expect, I mean, as you can see, we're still getting quite a lot of bullish momentum. I think we need to drop down though towards that 147, 145 level to really get up. Again, because I think hitting that 50 EMA right here, and that trend line would actually be better, all right, because I think that will drag in a lot of bullish momentum, which could launch us all the way up to 170. At 170, I think we'll find resistance at first, but as you can see, if we actually, I mean, afterwards, I think we'll be able to break that. But let's just take 170 as a price target. When we hit that target, I'll do another update on that, and in between I might also do updates on that, kind of depending on my schedule. Still very bullish on that. Now, tomorrow though, the inflation rate numbers could kind of obstruct this a little bit, all right? Because if the inflation rate is actually higher than expected, we might see Quant drop down, even though Quant isn't that correlated with the whole crypto market. I still think that then we would see like a bearish breakout for Quant and a drop down to at least 140, 135 kind of. All right, so that would be bad news, at least for the short term. Long term, I don't think it matters. But on the other hand, if it's actually lower than expected, we're getting up to 170 immediately, and we could also break that within the next, like, let's say 3 days. All right, so it depends a lot on that. As you can see, you can check it out on myfxbook.com. Tomorrow I'll make a full video on that, what you can expect for every crypto. So keep an eye out for that, but for now I wouldn't worry too much, all right, about Quant. Quant has been very strong. Quant is also very resilient if you compare Quant with other cryptos. It kind of does its own thing. All right, so that's my take on Quant for today. If you do have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.